Whoa! Whoa!
Was it painful?
It wasn't. I don't know. I just feel
Different.
like yes, like a sort of sudden relief.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa!
Woo! I was suffering in silence. Why didn't I come? I don't understand.
And you almost traveled.
And I almost
earlier.
traveled with this. It's
To find solution.
this is incredible. Can we do this tomorrow? Woo! I don't trust you. You're doing some magic.
No, it's not magic. It's chiropractic. Magic means I'm tricking you.
You're not tricking me, right?
Forward.
Ooh! I was dying.
Was dying.
Now I'm alive.
Your own is here. And this is what it's supposed to look like. So we'll do a side-by-side comparison. Okay. So straightness here. Pretty straight as well.
Okay.
I know you're
Pretty good.
expecting negative.
No, because I'm seeing those dark things and I'm thinking.
It's here. It's zoomed out.
Oh, okay.
So there's no.
Okay.
Like that things are crawling inside of it. So it's very good. Now when we look at the side view of the same area, now we start to see some improvements needed.
Oh.
You can see the curve here.
Yeah.
I think I even mentioned this during consultation.
You did, yes.
Needing curvature, but it's becoming all the way straight.
Yeah.
Now that straightness is causing, see how sharp this bone is at the edge. That's what we call osteophyte formation. So when degeneration happens, meaning bone here, disc here, bone here, when this disc starts to reduce, you can see the integrity of the bone starts to change because that cushion and supports is not the same.
Okay.
Similar to what we're seeing here. We're seeing
Wow.
a DDD
Wow.
within the L4, L5. Right? You can see how much space is there compared
Yes.
to this one.
Yes.
So with that, it's like me sitting on this chair. Myself cushion would, if this cushion is supposed to be this size and it's reduced, I won't feel comfortable sitting here. So it's the same thing. I remember nerves exit the spine, muscles are attached to the spine, spinal cord is within the spine,
Okay.
tissues and so on. So that's that. Now the neck as well also needs our attention.
Whoa.
You don't get migraines or headache,
I do.
and you didn't mention it.
No.
Now the reason why I didn't say you didn't mention it is because I always tell people, even if you came in
Yes.
and say you don't have any pain or symptoms,
Yes.
the diagnosis will still
show.
show. Because some people have high pain tolerance where they might have this and not feel any neck pain. They might feel just uncomfortable, but nothing severe. Other people might have this and say they can't even move their neck. So pain tolerance is different. So what we're basing our analysis off of is not pain, but rather alignment, structure, functionality of the spine itself. Back, relax, shoulders down, and we'll keep the hand here. Bring your head sideways.
Whoa! Whoa!
Was it painful?
It wasn't.
See, it wasn't painful now.
No.
That punch. Imagine if it was painful. I was just like that for granted. Just step on me.
It wasn't.
It was surprising.
But that's something.
It is something. My work is something. The
Something.
body is something.
Something.
You feel like
Wow.
rush. What do you notice?
I don't know. I just feel
Different.
like yes, like a sort of sudden relief.
So that's the tension. If an area is restricted and you create mobility,
Okay.
blood flow, circulation, and obviously relief for some.
And my neck is not broken. No, I can still feel it.
And you can talk. If your leg was broken, you probably
I'll
can't talk.
talk. Okay.
You said I tricked you. How did I trick you?
Because I didn't see that coming.
What did you see coming? Nothing. You thought I was just bending?
I thought you were just bending my neck.
You
know. Now I don't trust you.
It's okay. As long as you feel better. Now you don't know what's going to happen.
I don't know. It's become theater of the unexpected.
It's better if it's unexpected though.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Shoulders down.
Down.
Allow it to come this way. Down, just relax. Your leg on the ground.
Okay.
Relax this shoulder down.
Whoa! Move your mom. Woo!
Ma?
I was dying.
Was dying.
Now I'm alive. No, I'm not joking, but it's true.
You never visit her since.
Oh,
now that she says she's alive.
freedom. Oh my God.
Now when you mention it, there's no pain here.
There's no pain. You feel no pain. Oh, but this is amazing.
It feels free.
I do. Wow.
It was
Amazing,
It was
amazing.
worth the surprise.
Nice. Good one. Stop.
Come to this one.
That's what the pain is.
Stomach down. So try to relax.
Whoa. Whoa.
Deep breath in again. Let it out.
Woo. It's like, the puzzles being put back together.
That's what we call alignment.
Alignment.
You can come up, man.
Whoa.
Slowly, take your time.
I was suffering in silence. Why didn't I come? I don't understand.
And you almost traveled.
And I almost
earlier.
traveled with this. It's
To find solution.
this is incredible. Can we do this tomorrow? it's strange. It's a very strange thing.
That
I
is
can
just
get up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
That is just happening.
Yeah.
You're fine.
I am fine.
You okay?
Yes.
We're not done. Almost.
We're not done?
Almost.
I'm still going to get better.
I know. That's a good one. Like, as I feel good like this, there's more to come.
Mufa, you don't understand. You.
How can he understand?
No, I don't know.
He wants to understand. That's why he said he wants to do his own.
I see these videos all the time.
You've seen it before?
When they put your neck.
I have never seen it
And the
before.
thing is, when you see the video, this one is your mom. There's no reason for your mom
Mufa, in truth, you don't understand. I don't trust you. You're doing some magic.
No, it's not magic. It's chiropractic. Magic means I'm tricking you.
You're not tricking me, right?
For where?
I'm going to go out of this and still feel.
Your daughters are.
I'm going to
Your son is
tell
there.
them to leave me alone.
Bring the head down.
Woo!
Down some more. Release this.
Whoa.
Relax.
Oh. More fair.
We need to get that thing there.
No. She doesn't need it. I see what you're for. You just want to see your mom.
I haven't done my will yet to more fair, so.
You don't mind him. He thinks he's number one on the list. He will shock him.
It can be forced.
He will shock him. I'll just quarrel and fight.
It can be
No, but
forced.
it's amazing. In truth, wow.
Come
It's like,
on. The body is free.
Hello? That's some sort.
You can stand.
I can stand.
Look at you even bent forward your
Look at me now. Can't you see me doing some yoga moves? Look at me. Wow, this is good.
The way you even.
Yeah. Because, you know, wow. And my waist is gone, it's good?
It's improving. It's
Okay.
progressing. It doesn't mean if you feel discomfort in
In the next
3
couple of days.
days or whatever. Yeah, but I'll give you health tips.
Okay.
If you do your best to implement those health tips, it becomes easier to remain stable.
You're a genius. Thank you.
It's the
so
power of
much.
your own body. It just needed some assistance to align it. So it's not me.
To get it back to.
Get it back to where it's supposed to be.
Wonderful.
It's real. Thank you, Mom.
Oh!
Ah.
Jehovah, that won't enter.
Bro, this thing is real. I swear, this thing is real.